Satnam. Welcome to Vibrant Kundalini. I am Siri Akasha and I want to share with you a wonderful tool to begin our practice of Kundalini Yoga, the Tune In. We want to tune in to connect to ourselves, to the infinite wisdom around us, and to the golden chain, all the masters of Kundalini Yoga that came before us. We'll always feel guided and protected. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Bring your spine straight. And rub your hands in front of your chest. Rest them at the center. We'll tune in with the mantra Ong Namo Gurudev Namo for 3 times, followed by the mantra Ad Guru Name. Close your eyes. Take 1 deep breath. And inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adguru Name, Jugadguru Name, Satguru Name, Siri Gurudev Name. Adguru Name, Jugadguru Name, Satguru Name, Siri Gurudev Name. Adguru Name, Jugadguru Name, Satguru Name, Siri Gurudev Name. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath. Squeeze the palms a little bit more together. Focus on your third eye. And exhale. And relax. Now you're ready for practice. Thanks for watching Vibrant Kundalini. Please subscribe to our channel and go check our website if you need any more information about the Kundalini Yoga or if you want to know more about us. Satnam.